Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club, and it's all about corporate earnings this week versus the geopolitical tensions of the past few weeks to a month. And gone are the talks of trade tariffs and possible conflicts as the markets turn to outstanding earnings reports from the big names in tech and the big banks so far this week. And in fact, that's actually helped the S&P 500, which we're taking a look at right here, who shortly after I did my video on Monday and I gave you this level to watch, it issued a new green weekly trade triangle at 2,680.26, pushing the S&P 500 to a sidelines mode based on its chart analysis score plus 70 now. And in fact, yesterday had a gain of a little over 1%. And today is up about 0.3%, relatively unchanged as the market's kind of settling in on hump day today. I'm going to give you two key levels to watch. First one will be the monthly level at 2,872.87. A move above that level would issue a green monthly trade triangle, indicating that the long-term trend is in place and looking to head higher. On a weekly level, we're looking at 2,553.80. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible short position for the S&P 500. Moving along to the Dow, currently down, actually right now, relatively unchanged. Just been floating a little positive, a little negative, but we'll just go ahead and call it unchanged on the day. Again, it issued a green weekly trade triangle at 24,646.45, signaling a move to a sidelines position based on the current chart analysis score plus 70. And again, I'll give you two levels to watch for the Dow. The first one would be 26,616.71. A move above that level would issue a green monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a long position for the Dow. On a weekly level, we're looking at 23,344.52. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position and a downtrend for the Dow. Moving along to the Nasdaq, having big gains in tech, issued a green weekly trade triangle yesterday at 7,255.54, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100, indicating that the long-term trend is strong and looking to continue higher. Key level to watch will be 6,805.90. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Moving along to the dollar index, it's kind of bouncing along this $89 level here, just kind of relatively unchanged from day to day. Currently up a little over 0.1% with the chart analysis score negative 65, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the US dollar. Key level to watch remains 88.53. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that the strong downtrend is in place for the US dollar. Moving along to gold, currently trading at 1,353.40 with a chart analysis score plus 90, traded as high as 13.59 in early trading this morning. Key level to watch is 1,340.20. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the short-term time frame. Go ahead and take a look. Crude oil issued a red daily trade triangle yesterday at 66.09, a level I'd given you earlier on Monday. However, it turned around today after the EIA report showed shrinking American petroleum surpluses and the first crude withdrawal from the largest U.S. storage complex in 6 weeks, issuing a new green daily trade triangle at 67.68, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 90, indicating that the long-term trend is heading higher for crude oil. Key level to watch should be 65.59. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the short-term time frame. And we'll wrap it up taking a look at Bitcoin here with a chart analysis score plus 65 right here on our chart analysis score page. We'll actually go to the chart and take a look at it here. Bitcoin has once again come under pressure, dropping over 2% in the last 2 days. As you can see right here, breaking a 5-day streak of gains. The reason for the drop is reportedly due to a large Bitcoin whale dumping over $50 million worth of the cryptocurrency in one trade. And news has also broken that New York Attorney General is demanding transparency from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency that are operating in the state of New York, saying that traders deserve to know what's going on and how it's being operated. Chart analysis scores plus 65. We're still in a sidelines position for Bitcoin after it crossed over, after that 50-day moving average crossed below the 200-day moving average. And our key level to watch remains 6,194.46. And move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle indicating a move to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back later in the week to wrap up the markets.